Hey guys, Emily here from the Wellington County Museum. We have 3 Christmas crafts for you to enjoy at home. One of them is a shimmering snow globe. You can also grow your own icicles, and you can make your own Christmas ornaments to decorate your Christmas tree or any part of your house that you'd like. We have some different clips that will show you step by step of how to make them, and we hope that you enjoy and have some fun. All right, now we are going to be making our ribbon tree. This is a really exciting craft. You can hang it on your Christmas tree at home or around your house. To make this craft, you only need 3 things. The first one is a piece of string, like this. The second one is a cinnamon stick. And the third thing are some different kinds of ribbon. So the first thing that you want to do is we're going to be tying the piece of string around the top of the cinnamon stick to make a loop for you to hang it on your tree. How you'll do this is you will take your piece of string, and at one end of your cinnamon stick, you're going to wrap it around and then tie a knot on one side. You can double knot it so that it's nice and strong. There we go, nice and strong, nice and tight. All right, now we're going to tie the 2 ends of the string together. So up at the top, you can tie another knot, or you can do a little loop like this. You take the 2 ends, wrap it around, and poke it through. Pull it tight, just like this, and then you can trim off the extra ends with a pair of scissors. So you've got your loop to hang it. All right, now our next step is the fun part. We're going to take our pieces of ribbon, and in any pattern that you like, we're going to tie them down the cinnamon stick. So for my tree, I'm going to start off with the white one. So up at the top, I'm going to loop it around, tie a knot, you can do a double knot here as well to make sure it's nice and strong. Here we go. So it'll look a little bit like this. Now we're going to do the same thing on the next space. So you can take another one of your pieces of ribbon, tie it around your cinnamon stick with a knot, there we go. So you've got 2 pieces of ribbon on there now. We're going to do our next one, continuing all the way down. So we're going to take another ribbon, tie a knot around the cinnamon stick, just like so. There we are. And then there's one more, so you should have 4 different colors. Whoops. I'm just sort of adjusting as I go here, moving it up or down depending on what place I want to put it in. There. So, looking at our cinnamon stick here, we have the loop to hang that's at the top. Then we should have 4 different colors of ribbon. So in my case, I have the white, red, gold, and pink. Now, so that it looks like a Christmas tree, we're going to trim up the ends here so that it's in a triangle shape. So the first ribbon that's right up at the top, this white one here, I'm going to make it the smallest length so that it's the very top of the tree. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip the ends off just like so. And then I can put those to the side. Now for the second one, because it's the second branch down, we're going to make it a little bit longer than that first one. So this red ribbon here, I'm going to take my scissors again, and I'm going to trim off the ends, but I'm going to leave a little bit extra compared to that first one that's at the top. So I'm going to take my finger and just trim that one there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. There we go. So this is what we have so far. You can see we have the small one at the top, one that's a little bit longer after that. Now we're going to go on to the third one here, which is the gold in my case. I'm going to do again the same thing, except I'm going to leave a little bit longer of a ribbon compared to the red one. So I'm going to snip that end and do the same on the other side. Snip that end there. And then finally, our last ribbon. If you want, you can trim it just a little bit to make it nice and even, or you can leave it as is because this is going to be the longest ribbon since it's at the bottom of the tree. So in this one, I'm going to just trim this end here. And this side looks pretty good, so I'm going to leave it as is. Now I'm just going to quickly adjust a little bit here too. And now, if I turn it over, we've got our cinnamon stick Christmas tree ornament. We hope you guys enjoyed these little craft workshops at home. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We hope to see you again soon.